This is crazy, this is crazy, this is crazy.
Our law firm does not ignore the Eastern Shore. This morning we got a phone call, which is why I'm doing this video, from a client in Somerset County. She read about us, she read about our results with trials, our results with settlements, and the first thing she asked us was, does your experienced law firm also do work on the Eastern Shore? And the answer is absolutely yes. We practice in Somerset, we practice in Wicomico, and we practice in Worcester County, and we've been doing it for a long time. We know that many experienced personal injury law firms do not. We do. With respect to our law firm, we have been rated by an independent rating company called Avo. We've been given the highest rating, superb. We were also given in 2012 the Client's Choice Award. In addition to that, I have been eligible, and I'm now in the $1 Million Advocates Club. The $1 Million Advocates Club is a club that less than 1% of all U.S. lawyers are members of. And to be in the club, you have had to obtain a result of $1 million or more. I've done this several times. In short, we believe that our personal injury experience should not be confined to this side of the Bay Bridge, that we should also do it on the Eastern Shore. And the people on the Eastern Shore have the right and should have the opportunity to get the best possible personal injury lawyers, not just lawyers who are local and have seen a limited amount of cases or have had a limited amount of trials. In fact, our law firm has tried cases, have settled cases for about 20 years in most of the jurisdictions on the Eastern Shore. To serve the Eastern Shore, we have satellite offices starting basically at the Bay Bridge, or satellite or meeting locations from the Bay Bridge all the way into Ocean City. Our law firm, in fact, I own a place in Ocean City. We frequently go across the bridge. I've been doing that since I was a kid. I actually worked in Ocean City as a kid. Lastly, with respect to services, we offer the same services to people who speak Spanish, Chinese, and Korean that we offer in Columbia, Maryland, and in Gaithersburg to people who live on the Eastern Shore. Our paralegals are available. They will go there, or they will do it by phone, to anybody who lives in Salisbury or Ocean City or Princess Anne.
This is crazy, this is crazy, this is crazy.